Hello and welcome to my kitchen, mga cooking ina or cooking mothers. In this video, mga cooking ina, we're going to bake a healthy carrots, pineapple with walnuts cake for merienda or fika, husbandska for our children. And now our ingredients are 3 cups of carrots, 1 cup of crushed pineapple, 1 cup of crushed walnuts, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate, and 1 teaspoon of salt, iodized salt, and 300 grams of butter, 2 cups of coconut sugar, 3 eggs, and vanilla extract, and 2 cups of cake flour. And now, let's bake, mga cooking ina. This is very easy to prepare, mga cooking ina. This one is a half cup only, mga cooking ina, so we need 4 of this equivalent of 2 cups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 cups, mga cooking ina, because our measurement is only half cup. So we set aside that one. I'm finished with you. Then we're going to put our salt, the 1 teaspoon salt, our 1 teaspoon carbonate, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we do like this. So next we're going to cream our butter with sugar and the other liquid ingredient in my baking machine. If you don't have a baking machine, you can use manual as well. You use this in a bowl and then you just mix this one. It takes time little bit. I have a baking machine, so I'm going to use that one. So come with me, let's bake, mga cooking ina. Now, we put our 300 grams of butter in a bowl. We mix with the machine set to a low speed. When our butter has mixed well, we add our coconut sugar. We let the butter mix well with our coconut sugar until it has a smooth texture. Then we put in our eggs one by one. Now we pour in the vanilla extract. And now, mga cooking ina, look at the texture of our liquid ingredient. It's like this. And in this, mga cooking ina, we're going to mix our carrots here like this. Then our crushed pineapple. We do like this. Then our crushed walnuts and our cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons. Oops. And then we mix this one like this. Then we're going to put our cake flour. Do like this, mga cooking ina. Then we mix well, mga cooking ina. And now, mga cooking ina, our mixture is look like this, mga cooking ina. It's look like this. And then we fold all our ingredients like this, mga cooking ina. See? I don't want to use this one in a machine, in a baking machine, because I don't want to ruin the texture of our ingredient, because maybe it will be overmixed. Now I'm going to put in our baking form. I have this, and then we're going to grease our baking form with butter. Then I have a baking paper. We put this one here. We do like that. And our baking form is ready for our mixture. Look at our mixture, mga cooking ina. We do like this, mga cooking ina. So, and now mga cooking ina, our cake is ready for the oven. Our oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and we bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. And after 40 to 45 minutes, we will going back and then we check our carrot with pineapple and walnuts cake. Do like this, mga cooking ina. And I'm going to put our timer for 40 minutes first before we make mistake. So now see you after 45 minutes, mga cooking ina. Now after 45 minutes, mga cooking ina, look, our carrots, pineapple with walnuts cake is ready. And we let it cool down for 20 minutes. Then we make frosting on our cake, mga cooking ina. Oops, it's hot. So, and shout out to a friend of mine, Provincianong Liki, Coach Kim in Stockholm. And to my prettiness in Melbourne, Australia, si Gian Tabor, Bacolod na siya ngayon. She just got married a few months ago. And also to Nitan Formento, the son of my boat captain. Nagpa-shout out si Jack. Keep safe everyone. And now, mga cooking ina, let's make the frosting for our cake. In our frosting, we need 50 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of vanilla sugar, and 200 grams of cream cheese. So first, we put our cream cheese in our bowl. All of these are room temperature, mga cooking ina. So, para masarap ang ating cake. Then we use a hand mixer, mga cooking ina. We need to mix well our cream cheese. So, then our butter. And we do like this, mga cooking ina. This is our frosting to our carrot, pineapple with walnuts cake. Then we put our, slowly, we put our vanilla sugar. We just do like this, mga cooking. So that's it, mga cooking ina. Look, our frosting is steady. We put our frosting here. Look, mga cooking ina, it's beautiful. Diba? It's guapa. Like us, mga cooking ina, we are guapa. So, what I'm going to do is, I just try. I'm not a cake maker. I'm not a baker. But I said I try my best for my children. So, So, o diba? Bongga siya. Bongga siya mga cooking ina. And then I'm going to put some walnuts. Just like that. So that when our kids eat in this one, they will appreciate. So mga cooking ina, look mga cooking ina, it's beautiful. It's, at least I did my best mga cooking ina for my children. So our carrots, pineapple with walnuts cake is ready for the merenda of my children. So mga cooking ina, thank you for joining me here in my baking again. Until next video, please, if you like my video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! God bless everyone and happy merenda, kids!